Alright you guys, so we are in a brand new Toyota RAV4 for our little Tahoe escape. I actually, grew up in a family of Toyotas, so they are some of my favorite cars. They are really well made, the quality is top notch, and they seriously last forever. This is a little bit bigger of a car than what I'm used to. It is SUV, but it's a compact SUV, so it's got some great features like the backup camera, the automatic hatch in the back. We've got satellite radio, we've got navigation, heated seats, USB, all that good stuff. And it's been great getting up the mountain up here, and it's obviously a Toyota, so it's really good on gas. So right now we are on Highway 50, just making our way down the mountain into South Lake Tahoe, and we're gonna get started on our trip. So yeah, that's a little bit about the Toyota. I'll link all the details down below if you guys are interested, and you'll see more of the car in this vlog, so this won't be the last time you see it. Okay, so we've just checked into the Basecamp hotel, and look how fun this room is. It's like glamping, but also being in a hotel and super comfortable all in one. This is our cozy little bed. It looks just like glamping. It's insane. And we got like this cute little picnic bench here. We got some seating. Of course, have the creature comforts of TV, fan, mini fridge, and then we've got this adorable little deck area up here. Our Adirondack chairs. Definitely gonna take an Instagram here in the morning. And it's super cute. So there's a separate building over this way and this building over here. There are more guest rooms and also a like pub, brewery, beer garden. This is amazing. Hello from South Lake Tahoe.
Hello.
This is my friend Erin.
Hey guys.
She's got a blog. She will have a YouTube channel at some
will
point.
I'm a writer, sorry.
But you guys can go check her out. I'll have all her stuff linked down below. We are in Tahoe for the next couple of days as a guest of South Lake Tahoe. If you've never been up here, it's amazing. During the winter, it's amazing. During the summer, it's amazing. It just depends on what you're looking for. They have all kinds of accommodations, whether like girls trip, romantic getaway, family, all that stuff. And you can get like really outdoorsy stuff, obviously with the lake, boating and paddleboarding and jet skiing. Obviously in the winter, skiing, snowboarding, snow tubing, snowmobiling.
Paddleboarding for the first time, for the second time. We're hoping it's go well.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So by now you guys have seen a little bit of the Basecamp hotel, which is where we're staying at. We're staying there for one night. And my first day on a trip, I always like to take it pretty easy, get acclimated, get hydrated, have like a good night's rest, and then you can like hit the ground running the next day.
Exactly.
So tonight, you might have a rosé or two, a light dinner, and then hot tub. There are 2 hot tubs at the hotel, and they are open till 10 p.m. at night.
10 p.m.
So I think that will be a great way to like ease into the trip.
Can't wait.
By the way, if you guys are curious, this necklace I got from Origins. I don't usually wear jewelry, but it's this cute little honeycomb, and I love it. It's like nice and dainty, understated, and jacket is by Kohl's. Top is Old Navy. Amazon sunglasses. Anything you want to plug?
Oh, I'm trying to think. So everything's from Lululemon because welcome to San Francisco and Northern California. I fit in now.
Sorry, not sorry. Eating a light dinner tonight, clearly, because we had In-N-Out for lunch. So we got an elk sausage with hot sauce. I think, what is that? Queso fresca, some avocado. We got salt and vinegar chips and a little garden salad. amazing. Hey guys, so it is day 2 of our Tahoe adventure. Currently we are at the Round Hill Pines Beach Resort, and today we are taking a boat cruise. We're taking the Serenity, which is a 2.5-hour cruise across the lake. We're gonna go explore Emerald Bay. There's plenty of parking. It's $10 to park. We got free parking because we're doing the boat tour. And yeah, I think it's $69, so it's a little pricey, but 2.5 hours on the lake I think will be worth it. So we're going to board the ship in just a couple minutes, and we're gonna take you guys along. We're on a boat. This is amazing. We're on the Serenity and we're heading over to Emerald Bay on the west side of the lake. It's like just hot enough with a little bit of a breeze.
Oh, it's perfect. Like, we don't have our swim trunks or our flippy floppies.
Yeah.
It's slightly bad.
Yeah.
We're still on a boat. So this is Emerald Bay, and we're currently bird watching because there are nests and a lot of the dead trees, so they're actually pretty easy to spot. All right, so we have just checked into the Coachman in South Lake, and this spot is so cute. I just love all the details, all the furniture, the finishings. We got a little treat here. Oh, I love this like open concept bathroom closet situation. It's really nice. Like, here's a look at the bathroom. Yes. Hey, Erin. Say hi to the vlog. Doing it.
You are. Hello from South Lake Tahoe. We're at the El Dorado State Beach, so, you know, a very iconic focal point in South Lake. We are here at South Lake stand-up paddle boards. You guys can rent these. You can take a little lesson. They have a couple different options. You can rent them by the hour, by the day, whatever you want to do. We came out here at 8 a.m. and the water is pretty calm. It's also a weekday, so there aren't too many boats launching off. And we're both beginners, so we're doing quite well. We love that little Sprouts Cafe so much that we came back again for the same juice we got yesterday.
So good.
Okay guys, so it is our last day in Tahoe. It is Wednesday morning. This morning we started out with a stand-up paddleboarding session out on the lake. It was amazing. Both of us were beginners, so you know we were a little unsure how it would go, but it was really nice, and the water's nice and calm. Very quiet on a weekday morning, and we both were able to stand up successfully without falling in. So, and no phones fell to the bottom of the water, so that was great. Right now we are on our way back to the Coachman Hotel, which is where we stayed last night. It is like the cutest little hipster hotel. We'll show you guys some clips of it in a few, and we're gonna take some final photos there, pack up our stuff, get changed and ready to go for a hike, and then we're on our way out of town. So yeah, we're gonna take you guys along, and we'll see you in a sec.
Oh yeah, that tree right there.
That tree.
That is totally the Fern Gully
That's
tree.
totally Fern Gully tree.
Face is red, hair is crazy. We are hiking and it is boiling hot out. Definitely working up a sweat, but this is amazing. This is the Van Sickle Trail loop. There's a couple different routes you can take. There's a waterfall, a couple different vista points. There's some cool boulders, and of course, amazing views of the lake. And if you're familiar with South Lake Tahoe, it's kind of underneath the Heavenly Gondola. So I know I've gone up that a few times, and here it is right above us. We have made it to the waterfall. Here's our timing. I share this because it might be helpful. We've taken plenty of stops along the way, and we pretty much started right where Harris and Harvey's are. We started at the Coachman and we walked up.